severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Freeport to near Foreston to near Lanark, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The strongest part of the storm will move through northern Ogle County near Foreston, Baileyville, and Adeline. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Polo, Winnebago, Pecatonica, Foreston, Durand, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Seward, Adeline, Baileyville, Sherwood,
Seward is a city in Alaska.
This includes
An
Castle
inside
Rock
joke.
State Park, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, White Pine State Park, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.